Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Joybella. I'm in Nigeria, living in Italy. If you are just watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for joining me once again. God bless you. So I know most of you are still wondering, what is the secret behind this smile? Why is this girl smiling like this? Guys, I'll be waiting for these days to come. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy, guys. I'll be waiting for a day like this to come, and here I am today rejoicing. Guys, here is the secret behind this smile right now. Here is the secret. My pin has arrived, guys. For how many months I'll be waiting for this pin to come, and here I am today, guys, rejoicing. So I got monetized on November 24. That was last year, 2020. I got monetized on November 24. So when I got monetized, I don't even know I have to wait for my pin to come again. So when I got monetized November, Flor J Creativity, that is Mama Dominion, guys, please help me to say a big thanks to her, guys. She really helped me a lot. She really supports me a lot. Without she, I don't even know how I will have coped with this YouTube stuff. I remember when I started this YouTube newly, that was last year, and I don't even know I have to go monetize. I have to get wash hour, all those stuff. So she was the one that told me, "Ah, Joy, you have to create your own content for YouTube to monetize you. You have to get 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers for them to monetize." I was like, seriously? She said yes. When I open YouTube, I just think maybe after 1 or 2 months, YouTube will just start giving me money, start paying me. I don't know that. I didn't know I had to go monetize. I had to pass all those process for them to monetize me. So she also told me to be sharing my video to my friends, to help me watch, to be running playlists. I was like, okay. Then at that time I put more efforts. Then when I put more effort, by the grace of God, on November I was able to monetize. So when I got monetized in November, she said I have to wait for my pin to come for them to verify me before any other thing. I said, okay, no problem. Then when I wait for November, December, January, early January, they sent me an email that I didn't even know. At first I did not know the meaning of the email. When I just received the email from YouTube, I was just shouting, "Hey, my pin had arrived! My pin has arrived!" Then I call her. I say, "Flor J," I said, "Mama Dominion, my pin has arrived." She said, "Really?" I said, "Yes." Okay, let me see it. I say, I screenshot it for her. She said, "No, that is not your pin." That is just an email telling you that they have sent you your pin. Your pin is a letter like this. Okay, it's not going to be an email. It's a letter like this. Then you say, okay, your pin, and that email means they have sent you your pin. Then you have to wait for like 2 to 3 weeks for you to receive your pin in the address you provided. I said, okay, no problem, because I put my address. Then I said, okay, no problem, let me wait. Then after 2 weeks, I did not receive anything. 3 weeks, I did not receive anything. 1 month, I did not receive anything. I said, what is happening now? My village people, have they finally locate me to YouTube again? What is going on? I call her. I say, Mama Dominion, my pin has not come. Oh. He said, really? I say, yes. What is happening? I'm supposed to call. I said, I don't know. Then I have to go and look. I have to enter inside my channel, check my address where everything is correct. Then what is missing now? Why is the pin not coming? What is holding the pin? Then I have to wait again for a small time. Then February, my pin did not come. I said, what is happening? Then I have to make some research. Then when I made some research on YouTube, I see that when you are monetized, after 4 months from the day you were monetized, you did not put in your pin, they will stop showing adverts on your channel. Then when I see that, I was very afraid. I could not even sleep. Even when I'm sleeping, I'll be dreaming. Sometimes I even dream that they were ringing my bell. Then when I got there, I see that they give me this paper. I see that they give me this paper telling me my pin has come. Congratulations. And then when I wake up, I see that it was a dream. I was very angry. I see that it was a dream. Then when I found out that I have to put in my pin within 4 months, if not, they stop showing advert, I was very worried. I was very afraid. Then February 24, then I go to request for another pin again. Yes, if you wait for some time, your pin did not come, you have the right to request for another pin again. Then I request for another pin again, and that was February 24, and then March 9 I received my pin. Okay, that was almost 2 weeks from the day I make I request for the second one, and I received my pin. But I don't really know the one. I don't know if this pin is the first one I apply or the second one. But if you apply for pin second one, so far the pin come, anyone that come, you can use it. Okay, any pin that come, if it's the first one, you can use it. If it's the second one, you can use it. But this one, I don't know the one that come. Okay, but I've received my pin. All right, so that was it, guys. When I received my pin, they just called me and said I have a package. Then when I got there, I see that my pin has arrived. I was just shouting. I wish I was not even careful. Maybe I will be at the psychiatric hospital now. The way I was just shouting there, they were looking, what is wrong with this girl now? What is wrong with this? Everybody was just looking at me. I said, you guys will not understand. If you're in my position, you will do worse than this. You will not understand what I passed through because of this pin. For the long time I've been waiting because of this pin. I was just shouting. They are clicking wrong home, and I did not even spend 1 minute. I just bring in my laptop and I put the pin. Immediately the team verify. So guys, it was not easy. It's not a day job. I know people, there are some people who also passed through this, waiting for their pin for a long time, and they did not come. If you request for a first pin for it spent like a month, 2 months, it did not come. Request for second one, okay? Request for a second one, and your pin will come. Maybe I wish I did not request for second one. I will still be waiting. The first one will come before, although I did not know if this one is the first one or the second one. But I wish I did not request. Now maybe I would have received anything now. Maybe I would have received any pin now. Okay, then I request for the second one, and it's not to 2 weeks. I got my pin. So if you are still someone like that waiting for your pin for a long time, it did not come, request for second one. Okay, request for, you have the right to request for second one. After 3 weeks or 1 month, your first one did not come, request for second one. Okay guys, so yeah, I am today. Hey guys, can you see? Let me show you how it look like inside. Okay, let me show you how it look like. All right, okay, can you guys see? Here I'm covering, this place I'm covering is where the pin is. You know I cannot show that for security reason. Okay, it's 6 digits number, guys. 6 digits number, it's written here. Okay, then here is the step you have to follow. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. If you just follow the step, it's not easy. It will not even take you 2 minutes for you to put in your pin and verify it. Okay, you just follow the step and you just verify. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. Okay, so guys, I want to say a very big thank you to you all who have been supporting me, subscribing to my channel, super chat me, doing joining my membership, sharing me out. Guys, I don't take you all for granted. I don't take any of you for granted, guys. I really appreciate. Thank you all for supporting me. I wasn't even thinking I got to this extent that I am today. When I started newly, I didn't even know I got to where I am today. It's because of you guys that I'm here, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, and more especially, thank you to Flor J Creativity, guys. Please don't forget to check her out. I will still be putting her link in the description box for you to visit her and thank her for me, guys. Thank her for me by supporting her channel, guys. She's really a good woman, guys. She's so nice. Without her, I don't even know how we have cope with this YouTube stuff. I will have lose hope long time ago. So guys, Here is my pin. If you are still waiting, you will still get your pin. Don't lose hope. Okay, don't lose hope. Your pin will come. So that is going to be the end of our video for today. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I love you all. Stay safe. Bye.